Step 2. Put the mixer. This is the pan mixer, the main mixer, on this foundation. This is the concrete foundation. We will make a foundation according to the design. So we will give you the design of the foundation. Step 2, we put the mixer on this foundation. So, step 3, we put the climbing hopper here. This is one. Is for the raw materials to come to the main mixer. This device, this whole set, is for sending the raw materials to the main mixer. This is the climbing hopper. We put this device here, behind this main mixer, behind this foundation. Behind this foundation, it will be this climbing hopper. The climbing hopper coming up, then put the raw materials in that mixer. Then the raw materials will be mixed in that main mixer. Okay, please note that for this climbing hopper, you need to dig a hole. Peter, please show this hole. You need to dig a hole here, like this. We will give you the size. We will give you the design for this hole. The length, the width, we will give you the design for this hole. You need to dig a hole for this climbing hopper to come down. Then we put the raw materials here into the climbing hopper. Then the raw materials will be here, and then raw materials come up to the main mixer. Then the raw materials will be mixed there. In this, Peter, come here. Peter, come here. It's okay. Then the raw materials, we put the raw materials into this climbing hopper. Then the climbing hopper will send the raw materials to this main mixer. And then, after mixing, the raw materials come to this well mixer. This well mixer will mix the raw materials again, and after that the raw materials come to this one. This is the weighing system to give the amount of the raw materials of cement and sand to the mold. Then the raw materials come to the mold, and then the raw materials will be pressed here, and then the roofing tile come out to this part, and then we take the roofing tiles out. This is the whole process. For this part, from this side, this is the left side of the machine, this is the right side. Then here will be the raw materials. From this side, there is the foundation, the concrete foundation. There's foundation for you to put the main mixer. So this side, you need to make a ladder. When you make the foundation, you need to make a ladder. The ladder for you to come to this platform to check the raw materials in the mixer. So here you need to make a ladder. Ladder, do you know the ladder? Ladder for you to come up to check the raw materials in the mixer. Okay.